Top 5 reasons for low gas mileage in cars. Fuel consumption becomes a concern when you realize that a car is consuming more than it is supposed to. Gas consumption will inevitably vary within the same car depending on many outside factors. If you have noticed that your car is consuming more fuel than it used to, you may want to check on the following. 1. Poor maintenance and short trips. Poor maintenance causes the car to consume more fuel. If you ignore your car's service intervals, then you will surely burn more fuel as your engine won't run smoothly. The air elements will be clogged and therefore, more fuel will be required by the car to run for the same kilometer range. Also, if you take your car out on short trips often, then you will also notice your car consuming more fuel. This is because all the vehicles are least efficient and most polluting at the start of their journey and during short trips. Trips which are less than 5 kilometers don't let the engine to reach its optimum operating temperature, therefore, the engine uses more fuel. 2. Poor fuel quality. You should always be careful about what goes into your engine. A poor quality fuel can severely affect your engine's efficiency and its life also. There are many additives available at fuel stations that make your car run better with the same fuel. But again, be careful while selecting any additive for your car. A wrong or duplicate additive can ultimately cost you much more than what the fuel would have done. A good fuel additive cleans the intake valves of petrol engines and injector nozzles of diesel engines to reduce the accumulation of afterburn deposits. This can easily avoid a car from delivering low fuel mileage. 3. Wrong or incorrect engine oil. One of the reasons for your car consuming more fuel could be the engine oil. This is a vital element that your engine needs to function properly. For your information, there are several engine oil grades available. You should be careful while selecting one for your car. Engine oil which is thicker than the recommended grade makes the pistons move less freely, causing the engine to overheat and ultimately cause consumption of more fuel, thereby resulting in low fuel mileage. 4. Unnecessary idling or erratic driving style. Switch the engine on once you are ready to leave. While you are traveling, you can save even more fuel by turning the engine off at times where you need to halt for long intervals. For example, you can turn your engine off on a traffic signal where you need to stand for 1 minute or more. It takes less amount of fuel to restart the engine than it takes to keep the engine idling for that particular interval of time. If you drive your car at a higher RPM range, you will definitely consume more fuel. Also, if you shift gears often, your engine goes through fluctuation of torque output, which causes it to consume more fuel. 5. Worn out tires. If your car tires are worn out, the grip is lost and as a result, they spin more to move. This can be a major reason which can cause your car to consume more fuel. On the other hand, if your tires are inflated below the recommended pressure, your car will consume more fuel in this case too. Looking after your car's tires regularly is a good habit that will not only help you avoid low fuel mileage, but also help your vehicle's suspension to remain young for long.